I can say this without fear of contradiction that Wetangula is a criminal, is a hopeless, ruthless criminal. He intentionally broke the constitution by declaring Kenya Kwanza as the majority in parliament. The court has found him to be at fault, and he acted unconstitutionally as a Speaker of the National Assembly. Number two, the court has found him to have broken the constitution by being the party leader for Ford Kenya and being a National Assembly Speaker. So the question arises, what about every decision that Wetangula has done? They are all unconstitutional, right? Let's wait and see what happens of all the decisions he has made. And now that Kenya Kwanza is not the majority in parliament, are we going to realign parliament again? This is something we must keep on watching.
Team Cyprian, once again, welcome to our channel. Today, I've seen so many Kenyans wanasherekea the Court of Appeal after it may reject Wetangula's bid to overturn ruling on Azimio's majority status. Aki wa Kenya, wa Kenya mnaweza fanyia Weta hivyo yawa. As you all know, Weta wamekuwa na kesi kule mahakamani ambapo the ODM ama Azimio wanasema wao ndio majority, UDA sio majority. Ni kesi ambayo imekuwa ikikuja ikienda. So finally today Court of Appeal has rejected the Wetangula bid. Now I just want to read something here so that we understand ni nini kinaendelea. The Court of Appeal has declined to suspend High Court ruling that declared that the Azimio party as the majority in the National Assembly, dealing a blow to Speaker Moses Wetangula's efforts to overturn the decision. Wetangula had appealed the ruling, arguing that it had severely disrupted legislative functions. However, the court dismissed this claim, stating that there was no sufficient evidence to prove that parliamentary business had been paralyzed. Even after the contest, the Speaker's ruling of 12 February 2025, the National Assembly has continued to discharge its duties, albeit with some acrimony, the judges noted. The court further ruled that granting a stay order could amount to prematurely endorsing the Speaker's decision, as the High Court had yet to determine whether it complied with its earlier judgment. Additionally, concerned that the ruling could lead to legal consequences, such as contempt of court proceedings against Speaker Wetangula, were dismissed. The likelihood of a party being summoned to court to respond to an allegation of contempt of court and the attendant inconvenience or embarrassment that may be occasioned as a result if no sufficient reason to stay court proceedings, the court noted. With this decision, the dispute over the National Assembly's majority party remains unresolved, prolonging the legal battle. Sasa Wakenya wamekuja hapa. Wakenya ni akina nani? Lakini nyinyi Wakenya, who bewitched you guys? Nani aliwaroga jamani? Nani aliwaroga? Yaani Wakenya wamekuja hapa wanasherekea vile sasa Wetangula hiyo kesi imeenda. Someone said, Raila is a conman who doesn't understand his rights. Weta bargained for his share through his Ford Kenya party and appointed by the Speaker of the National Assembly. He highly facilitated the impeachment of the People's Deputy President. It's karma law at work. Raila and Ruto must go. Weta, you were fighting for Ruto to win. Now Raila wants you out. You will be impeached. So support Matiang'i if possible. So Azimio remains the majority and Wamnyoro is in the government. Kenya politics on its own. Moses Wetangula, instead of discussing how citizens are suffering and how the government can improve the living standards of citizens, they are fighting for personal interests. Discuss agendas will assist common wananchi, selfish leaders in Kenya, Kuisha, UDA, and Azimio fighting for seats in parliament. How that one will assist ordinary citizens. I like this person. I once said our 2010 constitution itself might be unconstitutional. Same law, different justifications. The court is simply indicating that Raila won the elections. Unfortunately, instead of Raila claiming his justice is celebrating the blood-red kind of handshakes. What next? It seems the court fear Wetangula. Weta cannot survive the ongoing onslaught. It's a matter of when, not if he exceeds. Folding his party could be the only escape. So, Azimio is the majority in the minority government. This wonders only happens Kenya. You can't run away from Baba. Since Baba married Ruto, things are okay in Kenya. In short, Azimio is in the government. Ruto is treading on a dangerous ground. Trusting Honorable Raila too much could be risky also. He wants probably to ditch Huda. But as they say, politics is a dirty game. Hey, good. Huda's skeleton and Raila is currently life support machine for Ruto. Why is Azimio now? Raila is in government. Weta is the CEO who declared Gachagua to go home because of misusing the office of the government. Now, even Weta has committed a crime, he should now also go home. Through impeachment, we are not sure with Wetangula. He should pack and go home. He is adding no value to this nation. Actually, it's a liability. Raila ruins the government. Aki Wakenya, yani Wakenya hamuna huruma jamani. Wakenya hamuna huruma. The country with the best series and episode on a daily basis. You will never be idle in this country. No matter what on have bundles, the entertainment will just follow till you die. You can't find Raila off guard. As Wamnyo declared, Ruto's life machine is Raila Odinga. Now, my fellow Kenyans, Wetangula, wakati Deputy President Gachagua alikuwa impeached, we saw so many people celebrating, so many people saying Rigathi Gachagua ali misuse the office and Rigathi Gachagua alienda kwenda nyumbani. But remember, immediately the case iliweza kuwekwa pale mahakamani. So many ODM politicians were saying that seat belongs to us. That means whether they like it or not, this seat is going back to ODM. Now I'm asking myself, will Weta survive? Ma DVD. Hapa, mimi vile naona, there is somebody alikuwa amesema usicheze baba. And ikawa, at the end of this game, also Ruto atakuwa impeached. Mark my words. Ukiangalia vizuri vile baba anaendelea kuchimba, kama wameanza kurudishiwa majority. Unapoangalia vizuri, very keen, you can see there is someone ahead. There is danger ahead. And there is something that is going to happen in this country and many people will be left speechless. Whether you like it or not. But DVD, be ready. Weta, be ready. You supported this government and now it's your turn. Wanasema serikali inakula watoto wake. Sasa ni wakati wako, serikali itakukula. Jana pia nimesikia mama mwingine hapa, I think I'm going to pin the video, msikie mama wa Mlima vile alikuwa analia akisema, "Oh, msitutenganishe, msifanye sijui nini." That mama alinifurahisha sana na siwezi nikataka nicheke peke yangu, ama siwezi nikataka nisikie mambo kama hayo peke yangu. Pia kama fans wa Cyprian TV, nanyi ningependa muweze kumsikiza huyu mama na nyinyi muweze kutupatia uono wenu. Pia I'm going to pin video ya Wetangula akiongea vile alikuwa anajiona hawezi akang'olewa katika kiti chake. Na hapo kwa comment section ningependa mtuambie, je, are you supporting vile mambo yanaenda ya Wetangula ama you are not supporting? Anyway, to Team Cyprian, I can say thank you so much. May God bless you. See you in our next video and continue subscribing. Bye bye.
Matter did not go to court in vain. The contestation, Mr. Speaker, was your considered ruling of 6th of October. Once that ruling is quashed, you cannot then, Mr. Speaker, with due respect, come and say that no decision has been made. The consequences are two. One, the leader of minority becomes the leader of majority by operation of law, even if you do nothing else. But in this case, we have gone further, and under Standing Order 19A, Standing Order 3, it I'll add you 1 minute. 1 minute. Mr. Speaker, under 19A is very clear. The majority party whip shall communicate the name of the member elected under paragraph 1 to the Speaker in writing, and that was already done by the Honorable Millie Mabona. That settles that case. Mr. Speaker, the only way we can start debating whether this decision quashes and changes the position of majority and minority is if we want to practice impunity. Mr. Speaker, and I agree with your observations, it is not in this forum to question the reasoning in the judgment. That must be questioned elsewhere. The only issue is it the finding of the court? And it is. And if we are to be a country that practices the rule of law, let it be appealed. But until then, let it be implemented. Let the Honorable Junaid Mohammed be the majority leader. And it does not matter whether you are in government or not, because we are not debating who's in government and who's not. We are not debating the reasoning. Mr. Speaker, we are not even debating your election because we all participated. Some of us who are not in the other party still voted for you. So
repeating himself.
Githaiga, can you please take control?
Banya, you're also repeating yourself.
Brothers and sisters, hiyo gema mimi ni Mkikuyu. Hiyo gema nilisikia mkisema Wakikuyu wawe wanapatia tu wa Kikuyu. Hiyo haiendi. We are brothers and sisters. I am here in Germany and we support Luya, we support Kisii. Hiyo haiendi gema. Ikiwa mna start gema, muongea about politics, lakini sio kupiganisha watu. Niliona juzi vile watu walikuwa wanaongea hiyo tu. Ate tutrehea haya kedo, tutrehea haya. Tuko kitu kimoja. Me, I stand here like woman from Kikuyu and here in Germany. Tuko kitu kimoja.
Githaiga.
Yes.
Githaiga, you're turning.
No, exactly. Let her finish.
Watu wasimame pamoja. I am not in Gema. I am not related to Jacqueline. I am here as a Kikuyu woman. I say we are brothers and sisters. Hapa Germany tuko na group nyingi sana na tuko na Wajaruo. They are our boyfriend, our men. Hatuwezi tukakosanishwa na mtu Gekoyo. Kwa nini Mlima saa yote? No, I fight Mlima now. I will fight Mlima. Ikiwa hamtaki tukiwe pamoja, I will fight Mlima. No way. Hakuna damu itamwagika. Damu haitamwagika tena sababu ya Mlima. No way. We are brothers and sisters. Githaiga, nakuheshimu sana Githaiga. Nakuheshimu. Vile kunaelekea hapa inaelekea kumwaga damu. Sababu mkileta Lady Jacqueline na Gema, iondoeni. Tukue brothers and sisters and we are brothers and sisters. Hapa Germany mnatuona vile tunakaaga. Tunapendana. Sasa tukija tupigane huku, alafu hawa Wajerumani watupige, nani atatusimamia? Sasa niliona mnaweka magrupu ati Gema, kuna mtu wa Germany, kuna mkubwa wa diaspora, kuna mtu wa England. Gema Mkikuyu ama Mlima. Ni Mlima wapi? Kama sisi tulikuja hapa tukiwa na 20 years, I'm here 30 years. Na tunapenda Kenya yetu. Msitupiganishe. Mkija na hiyo magrupu yenu huku, msitupiganishe. Ikiwa politics kaeni huko. Hii TikTok tumekuja dharafe. Wacheni tufurahi vile tu mtu anafurahi. Kama brothers and sisters. So God bless you. God protect you. We are one love. God is love.
Thank you.
Wow. Yes. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Kabisa.
No, Kenya.